Alright, so today we're doing some bird hunting. Alright, so it's a mighty nice evening for bird hunting. I do say so myself. Only problem, I ain't got a bird dog, but I don't think I need a bird dog. We'll just go pop them with the old Daisy from the Tractor Supply or Walmart. It's got a rifle barrel though, so I will give it that much. I've had this thing probably 15 years. I got it when I was probably 2 or 3, so no, I'd be 13 years. But it's a nice gun. The only problem I got with it is that's a little wiggly. That's alright. So let's get after them. Alright, so we made it to the area we're gonna be hunting today. We're gonna be hunting all up and down through this, right through here, and up through there, and then over there, that big thicket over in there, and all the way down through in there. If I get to make it that far. I don't know what time sundown is. I think it's sometime around 6. So right now it's about 4. So I'll get back with you when I see a bird. We got us a squirrel on that dead tree right there. It just so happens it's squirrel season. So I can't hold my phone and shoot at the same time. So I'll get right back with you after I kill him. He went in the hole, but just so happens that I heard another one right up through here, just past this shed, and that's still our property, so I can still hunt that. But as of right now, I'm getting ready to pop one. Every time that wind blows, I keep thinking it's another stinking squirrel. Alright, I'll get back with you in a minute. Turns out it's one of them stupid birds that makes the same noise a squirrel does. So I'm walking back on down this way. Right there's that den tree that one squirrel went into. So I'm walking back on down through this way. See if I see anything more. If I do, if it moves, it's gone. Kept saying, it's brown, it's down. Red means dead. So if I see blood, then might as well mean that it's dead. Not show y'all the confirmed kill on here, or maybe I can, I don't know, but yeah. Alright, see that hoot owl under there? You hear it over? I can't do it worth the crap anymore. It hurt it. Something's moving up here. It's a squirrel. Oh no, it's a bird. A chipmunk or something. That's a bird. Alright, I'll get back with you later. Alright, we back. We're down here in the hollow, and I went and picked up a stranger with 2 holes in his pants.
Yeah, that's where.
And we don't need no excuses. We know you had the crap real bad, and you just sat down. It just left.
How'd you know?
I told you. But we still haven't seen nothing but a few squirrels.
You ain't seen Jack. You're lying.
Okay, we literally started right up there. That is not my fault. Hey, I'll be right back with you. With the dog. See? Alright, we're walking through the woods, and I look over and see this. Velvet is not on. They is hungry. That is fresh. That was not here 2 weeks ago, because I came right through there. Right through this fence, right down along through here. And that was not there. So that means we have a big deer on our hands. So here shortly, Jens might be getting a deer hunting video. Alright, well, that's Eli. He's Jake. And we'll get back.
It's Jake.
Well, just pop one off the tree right there with the good old Daisy right here, and Eli's gonna go finish him off real quick right up here. We've entered the subdivision. Not really, it's really just my house. But there's 2 birds down there. I'm waiting on them to get a wee bit closer because about this time every evening there's probably about 30 or 40 birds that come out here and they end up right down in here. And tomorrow morning at 5:45 I'm gonna go out the stinking basement door and I'm gonna come right here to this tree and I'm gonna sit. Actually, I might go sit over next to the garage. But I'm gonna sit right here or right over here, one or the other. And I'm gonna wait on them birds to come out here. And I'm gonna open fire with the old Daisy. Alright. There's a bird on the power line. There's 2 right there. I'm going full Mission Impossible. Wait. There he goes. Okay, fine. Make it easier on me. There's one up there. There's one right there. Ready? I got this. It's cameraman. Stay here.
Just sitting over.
Oh, you hit it. What's your
Still
opinion?
sitting up there. Come on.
What's your
In the
opinion?
video for a second.
You gonna get it again?
I
missed.
missed. That's my fault. Okay. I'm gonna move around this way.
There it is.
Right there.
Yeah, I still see it right there. I can't hit it from here. You missed again. It's hurt. I believe in you. I believe in you.
I'm thinking Josh.
Tell Josh to go away. That was Grant, not Josh. Oh, Josh is in this episode. Huh? You hit it again. Is it fall? Did it fall? Truck. Up there. Oh my goodness. 3rd time.
There it goes.
It's the
My dear. Come find the kid.
woo!
Back.
Yeah. Ow!
This thing's invincible. In the head.
I missed.
How do you miss that close?
I don't know.
Okay, you might have been there. There's more than one.
One's dead. And then he's going to shoot more. I got this. That one's over here. He's dead. But he ain't completely dead. Oh my goodness. There's like 3 more.
Yeah, but these weeds could be even louder. There's one right there.
I know, I see it. You hit him. He's
got
flying
him, man.
sideways.
Is there another one in the garden over there? I thought there was.
I don't see one.
Okay.
Hey, freeze! Freeze!
Wait.
Got it.
You missed. It's right there.
I did, yes. I couldn't see him fully.
He's somewhere right now.
I was looking at him.
I don't know if we can see it on the
Oh,
camera.
yeah, I see him a lot better now.
Oh, right there he is. Oh, he went to the backside.
Didn't. I still see him.
You remember when you shot that one squirrel out inside the tree? I'm just saying.
Where'd it go?
He's got this. Look how concentrated. He's so concentrated. Right there. He's up there at the top of the tree.
Tippity top or
The one back here.
Middle
He's
top.
middle top. Up in there. He's gone now. He went to a different one. I lost him. I think he's still in this big old pine tree. It's in a hole. It's gone. They can.
Birds have nests, not holes. It's not saying Woody the Woodpecker.
We'll just forget it. We've done killed 4.